That's a future for 1986.
Absolutely.
Memorable.
Hopefully the next few years, fingers crossed.
Yeah.
But should we go look inside the space?
Sure,
Yeah.
let's go.
Mo, as soon as you walk into this space, you can tell it's unique. This space is meant for living, it's super functional, and it's so beautiful to look at. You guys, we brought you a living space genius over here. This is Mo, he's an interior designer.
Thank you.
With Live Design Studio. And you've been doing this for a long time, I can tell.
Obviously, the store has two functions. It can be open space for you, for more guests if you have.
Having a party.
And then you can hide your bedroom here. Obviously, we have our unique closets here. This closet has been designed in a minimum space for maximum usage. As you can see, we have drawers here for you. The light is come up as soon as you open the door. The drawers are here with sliding doors that you can shut them down easily for your ties and shirts and socks and whatever. You can organize it yourself by purchasing these little tiny organizer boxes. The other side as well, we have 3 compartments here.
And I love, Mo, how the lights automatically come on as soon as you slide the doors open.
As soon as you open or close the door, the lights comes in and out, so you don't have to worry about it. Most of this space is used for storage, obviously, but as you can see, it's the door are automatically closing by itself. So you don't have to bang it for Langjoy. The design that you see here is particularly for Concord standards.
These closets are also Concord standard, correct?
They are Concord standards, yes.
This is one of those features where you almost walk into a show home, you're like, how much money am I going to be spending to get that extra?
That is part of the Concord standards, obviously, yeah. It comes with the unit that we designed.
This is incredible. I think every woman and man are thanking you for designing a closet like this. It's so beautiful. And this whole space, it just feels so seamless and integrated. Like you don't blink, you just feel like you can flow through this space and it all makes sense.
We do our best to make our client happy.
This is all incredible. And this space, it really it can be a beautiful living space and it can also be a really nice private bedroom. And then this, I thought this was a wall with a couch, but behind this, hidden, like a gem. This is a Murphy bed.
This is a Murphy bed. We have a Murphy bed after all, yeah.
Because I feel like the last thing you want to do when you have guests over for a party is have your bed out with an ugly comforter sitting on top of it for everyone to view.
That's true.
This way, you shove
You can shut it up. You have your night table right here if you like.
Hold, I did not see this. This is genius. I feel like you really thought of everything though with this closet. There's so much storage, so much more than meets the eye.
That's true. As we go along during the construction, this space is getting smaller and smaller and smaller. For that reason, we try to maximize the use of the space for closets and for the kitchen as well.
Absolutely. I feel like this space just feels massive. I mean, I am completely sold. I don't know about you, Mo, but I think I found my new home. Thank you for designing it for me. You know, you want to get a glass of wine on your way out? Feel free.
You're welcome.
Amazing, you guys. If you love these closets as much as I do, I know that you're going to want to take care of them to make sure they stay in tip-top shape. So a couple of quick organization tips. Make sure that those top shelves don't overwhelm them with a bunch of heavy things. Keep your pretty delicates up there. And then your hangers, make sure that they are matching. So throw out those old wire ones. And then lastly, make sure you grab a few of those organizational bins that Mo talked about. You can put your ties in there, scarves, socks, you name it. And you can go. I'm just gonna take a nap. Oh, that's the stuff.